Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Ramblin' Dan Smith out here at Rural King. We'll do a little video on some of their farm equipment prices. King cutter spreader there. We've got some hay spears right here, $3.50. There's a front loader hay spear. A 3-point hitch. Looks like that's for moving bales of hay, like a round bale spear or something. 340. What we got down here? Box blade. I like to have one of them box blades for my tractor. To have one of them 5-footers right there. $1,000 though. Got the rippers on it though. See how rippers probably do pretty good. I ain't never had a box blade, but I've seen them used. They work real good. These little blades, I wouldn't have one of them. They ain't worth having, in my opinion. That's all you can afford. That's all you can afford, yeah, by all means. But I like that heavy duty King cutter I got. It's a yard rake, I think that's what it is. Landscaping rake, yeah. Here's your pig poles. That's not a bad price. And we're getting into brush hogs. I like to have one of them new brush hogs, but I just can't afford one of them. $2,500. Well, here we go. This is more what I'd like to have. This is an actual brush hog here. I think that was a mowing index or something there. That's a mowing machine. Tillers. We got tillers here. It'd be nice to have one of them tillers too. Let's cut across to you. These. We got some little trailers over there, like for on side by sides or four-wheelers or something. $1,400 on that one. $1,000 on that. Going up here and look around. I'm going to take a look at their tractors. Sorry about using the phone doing this video, but I don't know if they'd let me or would like for me to use my Pocket 3 walk around. It's a nice looking 4-wheel drive tractor right there. I don't know much about this Rural King brand though. What we got here? They may be good, I don't know. I haven't really talked to anybody that's had any of these. We might have one of these small ones, a loader bucket. Right there would be something I'd like to have. Got a loader and a backhoe. I had one of the Coyotes, but I had to get rid of it. It was a nice one. I bought it new in I think 2019 or 18. And we're getting a little bit too small for my liking. But I mean, that'd be good for several things. I mean, it'd be handy, but a little bit too small for my taste. I just soon get me a good used farm tractor if I was going to pay that kind of money. But I just want to show y'all the farm equipment here at Rural King. Like this video, give me a like and subscribe. if you would. I mean, if you like. But however, I'll get back with you on the next one. Ramblin' Dan Smith out. Got some side-by-sides here. I don't know anything about them, but they don't look too bad. Pretty good looking one. Side-by-sides. It's kind of like almost like a street tire on these. Kind of like those tires with wheels. Got a winch on it. Not bad looking on side-by-side, is it?
No.
I just don't know nothing about them. You know anybody's had any of these?
Yeah, I told him to a guy that I used to work with.
Yeah.
He said, don't waste your money on it.
Yeah.
Me and him are getting ready to go to Dones right now.
That's what I was afraid of. I got a Honda Pioneer. I bought a used Honda Pioneer a while back, and it does real good. I get $4,500 cash for it, so, you know.
Yours is a Pioneer right about.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I got. It's a Honda Pioneer. Romeo King. A bunch of flowers here for all the ladies out there. Some cabbage and some kale. Pretty flowers. Whole bunch of pumpkins. Look at all those pumpkins. Pumpkins everywhere.